Risk control activities are risk planning, risk solutions and risk monitoring. So risk control is the one of the activity. It is control when the risk is occurred. When the risk is occurred, the risk is controlled by using the activities risk planning, risk solution and risk monitoring. A risk response plan must be designed for every risk identifies risk actions or designed for risk actions are risk avoidance, risk mitigation and risk transfer. Risk avoidance actions to prevent the risk for occurring. Actions to prevent the risk from occurring. So once the risk is occurred, which actions are taken to avoid that risk? To avoid that risk. So if the risk is not impacted on our project, simply to avoid the risk. Simply to avoid the risk. If it any affected on our project, so we can accept that risk. Second one is risk mitigation. Risk mitigation means actions to reduce the risk impact should it occurs. Risk actions to reduce the risk impact should it occur. So risk mitigations means once the risk is occurred, it is impacted on our project. So it impacted on our project. So we can take the actions to reduce the risk. So to avoid the risk impact by using of mitigation. Risk transfer. Actions is shift the responsibility of dealing with the risk and taking the appropriate actions to a third party should the risk occur. For example, risk transfer. Risk transfer means to transfer one risk to another risk. So there are different types of risks. For example, cost risk, time risk, quality risk, manpower risk. So one risk, once one if any factor is impacted on risk, so to transfer one risk to another risk to avoid the risk. Okay. So for example, a project is developed on 2 months. So deadline is 2 months. So the project is implemented at present staff is the project is fulfilled in 3 months. So if the time is exceeded, it uh, it takes more cost. Okay. So in that time, the project is delivered on the particular time, 2 months. So we can add more number of peoples. We can add more number of peoples. So we can add more number of people and that work is finished in between 2 months. But so the problem is arised on the time, but that is a transfer to the cost because if we are adding new people, so the cost is reduced. The cost is increased, not reduced. The cost is increased. So if the time risk is transferred to the cost risk. So if the risk is transferred or not. So risk controlling template for the risk table. How to control the risk? So risk is control one document template. Risk ID, risk name. So risk name means which type of risk? Time risk, cost risk that is risk probability, priority. So how to give the priority? If the risk is more impacted on this factor, so they give the first priority P1, P2, P3. So P1 means highest impact risk, P2 means lowest impact risk, like that. So risk probability, risk consequence. So what is the main problem? Lack of people with right skills. lack of people with right skills. So that's why that impacted on time. So risk exposure, how much money is injured. So RE equal to 0.25 impact into how much cost. So that is impacted on 0.2 percentage on our project. So 0.2 percentage of cost is 10,000. So exposure equal to 2,500. So planning for actions. So planning for actions means precautions to avoid the risk. Developing core practices. Whatever we are people, so they are developing the core practices. So right skills. They are learn right skills. Second one is cost. Cost equal to P2. That means risk probability. Failure to meet the high performance. Failure to meet the high performance. So whatever we are developing the project, that project failure to meet the performance, high performance. Whatever we are developing the project, that project is meets the high performance in failure, performance failures. So that is impacted on cost. So it is impacted on overall project 0.30 percentage by 10,000. So total impacted on 3,000. So what are the actions per failure to meet the high performance? Review prototype with the customer. Review prototype with the customer. So project developers review with the customers. So they in that meeting they are discussing about performance. So if the project meets the high performance, the cost is increased like that. Okay. So risk controlling activities. So risk name, source, name of the risk, impacted, so total impacted. So risk rating, that means priority. So risk consequences, risk likelihood. So this is the template approved by, signed by. So whatever we are conducting the review with the customer. So in that customer review, the risk controlling and risk controlling activities are showing with one template. This is the example template for risk control. Thank you. Thank you so much.